nights I cried with no one around, lost in the silence, no hope to be found. Carried my pain like a weight on my soul, but deep down inside I refused to let go. They said I wouldn't make it, said I'd fall, but I kept on walking through it all. I rise, even when it hurts inside. I fight through every tear I hide. No matter how many times I fall, I stand back up and face it all. Every scar tells a story of strength. Every step I took, I went the length. Turned my struggles into something gold. Now I'm stronger than I've ever known. Through the fire, through the pain, I found my voice, I broke the chain. I rise, even when it hurts inside. I fight through every tear I hide. No matter how many times I fall, I stand back up, I face it all. I'm not the girl I used to be. They built the woman they now see. From nothing to something, I made my way, and I'm still becoming every day. I rise, now the world can see my light. I shine, I survive.